Solana is exploding in price now that the election is over, and analysts are calling for insane price targets like $600 or $1,400, but I don't care about the analysts. I want to know, what is the smart money betting on Solana hitting the cycle? Because now we can know where they're more likely to take profit and where the sell pressure is going to be happening from. And we're looking at the MV Global survey, which looked at 76 top venture capital and hedge fund managers, aka the smart money in the market. Now, MV Global has been around since 2012, and they have some huge wins in their portfolio, including being early on Kraken, Coinbase, and Ripple, the team behind XRP's token, and not only that, Circle, the team behind USDC. But let's look at this survey and see what exactly is the smart money saying when it comes to Solana's price target. Now, all of this is in their 2024 investment manager survey, and I poured through this so you don't have to, and there's some key takeaways that we're going to cover here, and then look at some price targets, including DZ's price target for Solana by Christmas of this year. Now, one of the takeaways is almost half the investors expect the peak to happen in the second half of 2025. So this has given us, a little bit more conviction that we're going to top out around Q3, Q4 next year. Also, when it comes to Solana, the survey participants see explosive upside in Solana, with over 30% predicting a peak over $600. This slide says, what kind of investors are they asking? Now, most of them are going to be coming from venture funds, but we also have some people running hedge funds, high net worth individuals as well. Now, there's high conviction that both ETH and Solana are going to outperform Bitcoin this cycle, but Solana has much more upside. Now, these are the prices that they asked, and here is the individual breakdown on people's prediction. I went ahead and I threw it on a pie chart for us. Now, one cool takeaway I noticed, less than a quarter expect Solana to not breach $300. If you combine this, it looks about 24.6 don't expect Solana to breach $300, and the vast majority is expecting $300 and beyond. Now, the most popular answer was over $600, followed by $450 to $600, and then followed by $300 to $450. Now, here we have a VC fund analyst with a very bullish quote, and then we're going to look at the Solana charts, and I'm going to give you my prediction by Christmas here. Solana outperforming Ethereum is so consensus, it scares me, according to this VC fund analyst. And then they have the question, will Solana outperform ETH this cycle? And 75.7% is saying yes. Now let's look at the charts here. We're going to go ahead and look at Solana, and we're going to measure this flag breakout. Now, there's going to be some argument amongst the bulls that the flag breakout starts here, and other people are going to say it starts here, but this is a very bullish season, and now's not the time to be hedging your bets and be too conservative. So you can see we had a clear breakout from the structure that we've been in since March. We peaked out March 16th, and then continued to put in lower highs, and now it looks like we have a confirmed breakout on the 3-day chart. And the term we're going to be looking at today is a bull flag pennant. If you don't know bull flag pennant, you have your flagpole, then you have your pennant, and your breakout level is the measurement of the flagpole. Now, going back to the chart here, these typically move to the upside, and we're going to measure it from the breakout right here. And I expect Solana has a strong chance of hitting $369 this cycle. I didn't try to plan that, I swear. And if you want to be a little bit more conservative here, you would measure the breakout from this point right here, and that's going to give you a slightly more conservative take, but still above $300. And you can see right here, it is peaking at right around $311. So these are some of the targets we're looking at for Solana this cycle. So now is not the time to go bearish. If you're looking at some of the portfolio highlights from MV Global, it's very smart money, and they're asking smart people who have skin in the game, tens of millions, sometimes hundreds of millions of dollars invested in these projects. So that's where they're expecting Solana to go. Where do you think Solana is going to peak out at this cycle? Can Solana breach $500, and can it even hit $1,000? Let us know down below. I'll be reading your comments. That's all I got, and I'll see you and your Solana bags at the top.